My name is Jake McCollum. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I've been living in my car for 705 days. I used to have a serious drug problem for 8 years, and I have more than 2 years clean now, and I've pretty much been living in this Lowe's parking lot the past 5 or 6 days, editing the San Francisco series, which is coming to a close now. This is the conclusion video, okay? I got this screen recording up, guys. Since I've been here for a while, I've literally just been editing here in Union City. And for anyone that plans on doing car life eventually, you can kind of drive up here to Alameda and to take showers and run in between editing. But guys, I freaking love y'all. Without further ado, let's get into day 3, the final day. Good morning. Got my free Starbucks here, and I need to shave, I need a shower. My car sounds like crap, but this morning we are on Lombard Street. It's like, here, let me show you. This is the most curviest, waviest street, and is iconic. Going way too fast. It's brick. It's really wobbly and there's cracks everywhere, and I'm just trying to be careful. But all right, guys, next on the list, we are here in Japantown. Yesterday we were at Chinatown, and I realized that there's a Japantown as well. Ichiban. This is crazy. I'm literally like the only person inside of this place right now. Alright, what y'all just saw was the East Japanese Mall, and now we're at the West Side, which looks equally as dead. So for those of y'all who don't know, I'm actually a pretty big anime fan. That store is closed. And Katachi looks like it's closed. Look how massive this Pikachu doll is. Thank you. Grab some McDonald's. I need to get something in my stomach because we're about to do some running today, and then I got a shower. We are at our next stop. This is called the Wave Oregon. So pretty much, oh cool, 1986. They've got all of these like organs. They've got one right here. They've got some over there. But pretty much the water flows under this area right here. And water splashes up into them and makes them make noise. Alright guys, we just got to our next stop. So if any of y'all know what kind of snacks I like to keep in my car, y'all know that one of them is dark chocolate. And we passed by this on day 1, but I didn't even realize what it actually was. Girardelli, I'm sorry, I'm butchering the name, Girardelli or whatever. Anyways, this is the dark chocolate that I always get, and so I'm gonna try some chocolate here. chocolate. This was actually like under $4, and I got one of every kind that you can get. All right, you guys, we're back at Pier 39, but we're not here to go inside of there. We did that like a day or two ago or whatever. I actually got changed, so I'm in my white tee, my short shorts, and my running shoes, and I'm actually pretty excited because that means we're gonna get to shower here in a little bit. But I was told to run this whole entire strip right down here, the Embarcadero, I believe. Made it back to Pier 39. Do I have my headphones in? I'm so confused. My ears got so used to it. You're probably wondering why I don't have my shirt on anymore. It's because I made it all the way down the barrow or whatever the hell it's called. And I pretty much had to fake that entire run, you know? Like it was a lot of me setting my phone down and then having to run back and forth to pick up my phone. But once I got to the end, I was like, all right, I'm actually gonna run now and come all the way back to the Pier 39 over here. And right here, this is my time. Add me on Strava. All right, this just in, and by this just in, I mean a couple days ago, my mom sent me these videos right here. It is freaking snowing hardcore in my hometown right now, about an hour north of Dallas, and even Dallas is getting a really bad winter storm right now, and that's kind of unusual for Texas to get that amount of snow, and also for the weather to be at like 0, which is just crazy. Hey Siri, what's the weather right now?
It appears to be cloudy right now, with a temperature of 57 degrees.
That was the coldest shower I've ever taken. Feeling good, feeling fresh. Makes a little bit more sense that I've got this Santa Cruz shirt now. And call me a nerd, but I'm extremely excited. This right here was a mile away from Christie Park. I didn't even realize this, but that's actually Lucasfilm. As y'all can see, there's also R2-D2 in there. I actually went inside and they're like, sir, you can't be in here or whatever. It's not open to the public, but there's also like Darth Vader and a lot of other cool stuff in there. Now we're at our next spot. This is actually one of the ends of the Golden Gate Bridge. I kind of wish I would have came here in the first San Francisco video of my first day being here. We are currently now at Battery Spencer. Back to modern day Jake, going on day 8 or 7. I told y'all it was probably gonna be like a week of me sitting in this damn Lowe's parking lot editing all these videos. But it's always, oh, I just almost spilled this coffee everywhere. I was gonna say it's always worth it because I have the most supportive channel on YouTube. I freaking love y'all. That's pretty much it for day 3. Day 4, I started to film, but I ended up here in this Lowe's parking lot, and so it's gonna end. The filming will end us back into modern day, is what I'm trying to say, and I'm super excited to see where the future holds us because I don't know if I'm gonna be staying here in San Francisco. Might go back to LA. May or may not have already filmed with other YouTubers. Hint, hint. Like, subscribe. Tell your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man about the mother freaking channel, your family and friends. Get your 2 free stocks down in the description below with Webull when you deposit $100. That could be valued up to $1,600. It's free money. And you know what? I may or may not have to take a